3 embodied AI stories are blowing up today. Huawei Cloud dropped a so-called end-to-end embodied platform. A policy timeline appeared for putting robots on factory floors. And a companion robot pre-sold 800 units in 10 days. Loud, sure, but I'd rather show you the other scorecard nobody reposts. The same companies on a real floor, how far the work actually got. One card measures buzz, the other measures deployment. Lay them side by side, and it's obvious who's really doing the work. Start with the noisy card, and why it's only noise. Huawei Cloud's end-to-end is its own wording. For anyone buying or integrating, the real question is whether it cuts the headcount tuning models between cloud training and line deployment. The policy timeline gives acceptance milestones. The KPI still has to land on the floor. And that companion robot, 800 pre-sold in 10 days. Pre-sale isn't delivery, and a home is 100 times messier than a factory. All loud, none has reached it actually works yet. Now the scorecard nobody reposts. Same company, UBTECH. It told the FT that Walker S2 runs at 30 to 50% of a skilled worker on case backing and inspection, with an 80% target only by 2027. It has cleared the self-battery swap hurdle and can run continuously. That's real progress. But standing a post is still a long way from holding the job. 2 first-hand numbers. Across GXO's 1,000-plus warehouses, Digit runs in exactly 2 units, each on a single task, not yet multitask. And the environment understanding brains. At one Beijing training center, about 100 teleoperators, 2 per robot. It'll spill a glass of water, a human wipes it, and it runs the sequence again. That's not knocking anyone. That's the real stage deployment is at. So where should the money go? Per IFR, 540,000 new industrial robots were installed in 2024 alone. 66 million in service, over half in China. What this trade actually pays for, whether you're a plant manager or an integrator, isn't another dancing humanoid. It's pushing case backing and inspection on those 66 million arms from today's rates toward 80%. A good brain has to grow on hard-working limbs. So the noisy scorecard shows you the trend. The quiet one shows you the deployment. Next time you see pre-sold X units or world's first, ask one thing. On a real floor, what percentage is it actually hitting? Follow me. Every day I separate the noise from the real work in embodied AI. Of today's stories, which do you want me to break down? Tell me in the comments.